So in this video I will explain what is the difference between project SDK and the module SDK. These two options exist in the IntelliJ IDEA. So if I go to the file option in IntelliJ IDE and if I go to the project structure option, then we can see two options. One is project and second one is modules. So here the SDK option is there, and inside the modules also there is one module SDK option is there. So the project SDK, so through this option we can choose any of the Java version which we want to set at the project level. But one project can have multiple modules, so if we want to set the JDK version at the module level, not at the project level, then we can use this option of the module SDK. So there can be two scenarios. First one, where for the entire project, for inside the project, for all of the modules we want to keep the same SDK version. So in that case what I would recommend is choosing the correct or the required SDK version from here in the project option. So let's say I want to keep Java 17 version as my JDK version for the all the modules. So I'll choose 17 here, and if I go to modules, then there will be one option of the project SDK. So I will choose this project SDK option here. So this thing I will do for all the modules which exists for that particular project. So what is the benefit of this? So whenever in future, let's say I update the project version. So let's say if I want to upgrade this to 21 in future, so what will happen if I go to modules? So it will automatically be updated for all the modules. So that will be the first option. The second option would be, so let me shrink this, let me apply this first. So this was the first option. Let's see about the second option. So let's say I do not want to keep the same version for all the modules and I want to use different version for some of the module or one of the module. Then in that case, for that particular module, what I can do, I can choose any other Java version, let's say the 17, and which will be not related to the project SDK version which we have set in the project option. So in that case the project SDK version will be different and the module SDK version will be different, and whatever version we will set in the module option, that will have higher precedence. So in my case, because I have only one module, so even I can choose this no SDK option at the project level, and at the module level I can choose whatever version I want for that particular module. So let's use this 21 and let's apply OK. And if I run this particular application, which is a very basic Spring Boot application, so it will use the JDK 21. So if I go to the logs, so here if you can see there is JDK 21 it is using. So this is the main difference between these two. Okay, thank you.